Today's Lori lesson: how to change your oil pressure switch on your 2001 2.4 twin cam Pontiac Grand Am. Okay, first locate said oil pressure switch, which is down in here. You take and you pop this cherry off your oil pressure switch. Then you pop this cherry out of your lid where your coil packs are. I've already taken the liberty and I loosened all the bolts, and this puppy's coming off. Be careful when you take that off. Your boots are still in place. Then you get down in here and you find your oil pressure switch. You take your special oil pressure socket and remove the oil pressure switch, which I have loose already. There, bam. Old one's off. Take the new one and you put it on. And then you put everything back together and you have yourself a car that runs again. This has been another lesson by Lori. Enjoy.